It actually is. It's the newest song we ever wrote.
I am
So far. Started out so simple, with all the jobs and things were fine. I was yours, you were mine. Better, and you were not the type to fight, and you loved me until that night. Swerved as that drunk driver, I wound up in an ICU. Finally came around, you turned the whole world upside down. Now my robot arm wants to kill you. So was just here and there, hit you punch and then I stabbed you with a fork. There's left no remorse. So we tried to work things out, then I tried to drown you in our pool. I felt like such a fool. Now I'm chopping up some onions, but no, that isn't why you cry. I guess those burn marks on your hand are just a gift from it to you. 'Cause my robot arm wants to kill you.